How to find your MetaQuest PIN. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of 1-2-step. If you also forgot your PIN of your MetaQuest or your Oculus account, then let me show you how you can easily find it. So first of all, what you need to do is open up the app of Oculus or MetaQuest. Once you open up the app, you can tap on the menu on the bottom right. Now the one thing that you need to know is that you cannot directly find the PIN displayed on your account of MetaQuest. If you have forgotten your MetaQuest PIN, then you can reset your PIN and create a new PIN for yourself. So that's the only thing that you can do. So from here, tap on the settings option and tap on accounts and settings. From here under security, you'll have an option of reset MetaQuest PIN. You can tap on this option and it's going to take you to a section where you can change your PIN. So if you know your current PIN, you have an option of creating a PIN straight away. But if you don't know your current PIN, tap on forgotten PIN and tap on request PIN reset. Now a PIN reset link will be sent to your email address. So just open up your email linked with your MetaQuest. Once you open up your email, tap on this link which has been sent. And it's going to take you to a section where you can now create your new PIN. So type in the 4-digit PIN and then in the second box you can again confirm it. Make sure that both of these pins match and tap on save. And your PIN of MetaQuest will be successfully reset, and now you can save your PIN so that you don't forget it later on. So that was the exact video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos similar to this, make sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified for more future videos.